Hello friends, I'm Shaikh, and in this video I'll teach you how to create an e-commerce website for selling digital downloadable products like audio files, video files, PDF books, softwares, APK files, etc. using WordPress and only free resources. So this is the website that we'll be creating in this video. First of all, let me show you how this entire thing works. So first, let's see the shop page. This is the shop page wherein you can see all the different products that this website is selling. If you want to search for a specific product, you can search it from here. If you want, you can click on this search icon and you can search for that product. Or if you want to filter product by price, for example, if your budget is only $50–$60, then you can select $60 from here. So my budget is only $40 to $60, and then you can click on filter. Then it will filter those products. Similarly, if you want to filter products by categories or tags, you can do that. Now suppose if I want to add any one of these products in my cart, or if I want to purchase this product, I can open this product, I can click on that. And this is a digital product. Now in a digital product, you don't have, quantity option. Like in a regular product, if it is a regular product, you can increase or decrease the quantity. You can purchase like 3. For example, if it is a t-shirt, then you can purchase 3 t-shirts. But because this is a digital product, you can purchase it once. Now, if you want to purchase this product, you can just click on add to cart. Now here as you can see, I get this message. You can't add more than one item in the cart. Now, because I already have this product in the cart, you can see the same product, a mirror. I cannot add this product in the cart because we cannot purchase more than one quantity. Let's try it with some other product. Now, if I again come back to the shop, if I open this benchmark product, if I add to cart this one, click on add to cart. Now, as you can see, this product is now added in my cart. Or if you want to add this product in your wish list, maybe if you don't want to purchase this product, but if you like this product, you can add this in your wish list, and later on you can come to your wish list page and you can see all the products that you have wish listed. Then if you want to purchase this product, you can go to your cart page. First, you can go to the cart page. You can see this is how your cart page will look like. Okay, we have 2 products, subtotal, and everything is given to you. You can also create coupons to give some extra discount. For example, I have a coupon code over here, which is 10 off. So if you open this coupon code, if you apply this coupon code, you will get 10% discount. So the subtotal was 118 and I got 10% discount on that. Now I can click on proceed to checkout, and over here you can add your address and all the other things will be applied on this product, like the GST and everything will be applied. Now you can make payment through credit debit card, you can make payment through PayPal, you can make payment through net banking, wallet, UPI. Many different payment options are available. Now once you make the payment, once you place an order, after that in the next page you can download this product, because this is a digital downloadable product. If it is an audio file or a PDF file or whatever, maybe if it is a wallpaper, a JPEG file or PNG file, you can download that product in your next step. Let me show you how that works. So once you make the payment, you will see a page like this. Let me show you this page. If I go to orders, if I click on view, you will see a page like this. First, you will get a message, thank you for placing an order. And once your order is completed, you can click on this thing, benchmark thing, and you can see I have downloaded this product. Similarly, if you want to purchase, or if you don't want to download the second product, you can just click on this thing and you can download this file as well. And your customers will have this front end dashboard. Yes, here as you can see, if you click on this icon, user icon, you can see this is a dashboard for your customers. They can go to orders, they can always come to this page and they can download the product. If they want to download the invoice, they can click on invoice and they can download an PDF invoice from here. So this is how it works. And again, as I said earlier, they can, once they have purchased the product, they can always come back to this page, go to orders and download this product or download whatever the digital file was available. Now let's come back to our home page. Now let me show you the designing part. And let me tell you one thing, that to create this website, I have used only free resources. So the theme that we'll be using is free, the page builder is free, and all the plugins that we'll be using to create this beautiful website, everything is absolutely free. So this is the home page. This is your first section, your hero section. We have a nice big title, subtitle. We have a search bar. Very important. If somebody is searching for any particular product, they can type in the name of the product and they can search for that. Then after that, we have like these things. You can link this with different categories. So if somebody clicks on PDF files, they will be redirected to that category. Then if you scroll down, we have some featured products or featured items. And again, if somebody wants to add this product in the cart, they can click on add to cart if product is not already available. Now, if product is already added in the cart, they will get some error message. If they want to add this product in the wish list, they can click on this heart icon and this product will be added to the wish list. Then we have this beautiful section. So what all features or services you have, you can type in and you can display those features and services like this. Very beautiful. You can see nice, beautiful icons and beautiful colors are used over here. Then after that, we have latest product. Again, if you want to open this product, and you can do something like that. Then we have the footer at the bottom. I have this text over here. This is the about. Then after that, we have 3 different menus. Okay. And at the bottom, we have the copyright text. Then we have this, back to top button. If you click on this button, you will go back to your top section. Now, if you want to create a website wherein you want to have these digital products website, but you don't want to sell them, if you want to give everything for free, you can do that thing as well. I'll show you how that is done later on in this video. Now, we have already seen the shop page. So if you open the shop page, we have seen the shop page. Now with that, we'll also see how to create different pages like your about page. This is, as you can see, an about page with members section, with about section, with testimonial section. Then after that, we'll also see how to create a contact page so that people can come, they can contact you. If they want, they can fill in this form and they can contact you. You will get all their details once they fill in this form. Then with that, we'll also see how to do blogging on this website. So you can type in or you can write in different blog posts on this website, and these blog posts will help you to generate some extra traffic through Google search results. Now there are many more features available in this website, but I don't want to make this introduction very lengthy. I just wanted to give you a quick idea of the website that you will be creating. Now I hope you guys like this demo website. Now if you like this demo website, if you want to create this website, make sure to watch the complete tutorial. And before you proceed further, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. And now let's start creating this website. Alright, so now to create any kind of website, whether it's an e-commerce website, a simple blog, business website, membership website, any kind of website, we need 2 basic things: a domain name and a hosting account. A domain name is simply the name or the URL of your website. For example, youtube.com, google.com, nayyar.com, blogdude.com, all these things are different domain names. So we'll also have to purchase a domain name on the internet, so that whenever someone wants to visit your website, they can simply type in this domain name in the browser URL bar and they can land on your website. Second and the most important thing is your website's hosting. Hosting is basically a server wherein your entire website is saved. So if you see this website, all the different pages, products, database, this entire website is saved in a server, and that server is running 24/7. So that whenever someone wants to visit your website from any particular country at any given time, they can always see your website live because your server is always up and running. Now hosting is the most important thing about your website because everything related to your website is directly or indirectly dependent on your hosting. So your website speed, your website's performance, the user experience on your website, even your website's ranking is totally dependent on your hosting. So if you've selected a good and reliable hosting, your website speed and performance will be amazing. You'll get better ranking in Google search results. It will be very difficult for anybody to attack or hack your website. And obviously, in contrast to that, if you select a cheap, crappy hosting, everything will be opposite of that. Now there are literally thousands of different hosting providers available in the market, but unfortunately, only a handful of them are really good enough to consider. But you don't have to worry about that. You can simply do one thing: open a new tab and type in blogdude.com/hostinger. In fact, you don't even have to type in this thing. This link is also given to you in the video description below. So you can simply click on that link and you should be now redirected to this page. Hostinger WordPress hosting. Now this is the only thing that we need to purchase. Rest everything will be free. Domain is free, theme is free, page builder plugins, everything is free. This is the only thing that we need to purchase, and this is also the most affordable thing, the most affordable but still the best hosting that I'm recommending you. So I'm not recommending you any super expensive like $30, $40, $50 per month hosting. We are just using $3, $4 per month hosting. So very affordable hosting. Now most importantly, this is a WordPress hosting, not the regular web hosting. So because we'll be using WordPress to create our website, we want WordPress hosting. Okay. Then after that, you can see that Trustpilot rating and review is also very positive. 4.6 average review of more than 15,000 reviews. Then after that, if you scroll down, you can see 4 different plans are available in this option: single WordPress, WordPress Starter, Business WordPress, and WordPress Pro. Now for most of you guys, I would recommend you to start with the WordPress starter plan because this is very affordable and it has most of the features. In fact, more than enough features for you to start your first website or to create your first website. Let me tell you about some of the features. First of all, with this hosting, with this plan, you can create up to 100 websites. So today you're creating this digital downloadable website. Tomorrow, maybe if you want to create another website, maybe a new e-commerce website or a blog or a membership website, for that you don't have to purchase a new hosting plan. You can host that website. In fact, you can host up to 100 websites in one single plan in this WordPress starter plan. Then after that, we get 100 GBs of SSD storage. Now this is very important. Now, if you see this website, we have these files. So whatever files that is available to download, you'll have to upload these files on your server. So we need some space. So here we are getting more than enough space. We are getting 100 GBs of SSD storage. Now this 100 GB is more than enough for our website, because if you see this website, the entire website is hardly more than like 100-200 MBs. So with 1 GB, you can create 10 different websites like this one. And here we are getting 100 GBs of space. And most importantly, this is SSD space. This is SSD storage or server. Most of the hosting providers, they use HDD server to host or to create your website. But here at Hostinger, these guys are using super fast SSD server to make your website really fast. Then after that, we also have unlimited bandwidth. So there is no upper limit on the data transfer per month. We get a free domain name. Don't have to purchase a domain name. Don't have to purchase SSL certificate. You get unlimited free SSL certificate. You get weekly backup with this. And then after that, for security, to protect your website, they have Cloudflare CDN. They're using malware scanner. You can also get free business email account. So instead of a regular email account, a regular email account is something like nayyar@gmail.com. So instead of something like that, you can create an email account with your website name. For example, my website's name is blogdude.com. So I can create an email account like nayyar@blogdude.com. Okay. Then you get free migration. So if you already have a website created with some other hosting, and if you want to migrate to Hostinger, they will migrate your website for absolutely free to Hostinger. So this is also an option. Then because this is a WordPress hosting, we get so many options related to WordPress. We have Managed WordPress, WordPress Acceleration, WP CLI, WordPress Multisite. Now WordPress Acceleration is the most important option over here, because here, as you can see, they are using the Lightspeed web server, and they're using server-based caching to improve your website speed and performance. Now there are many more features available, but I don't want to waste a lot of time over here. As I said earlier, for most of you guys, I would recommend you to start with this WordPress starter plan. So you can just click on this add to cart button and proceed further. And now you will see this page. Here, first of all, you will see that we have selected WordPress starter, and all these are the different features that we get with this plan. Now if you scroll down, you'll see there are 4 different options. There are 4 different plans available. This is for period. This is your billing cycle. So this is basically for how long do you want to purchase this hosting for. If you purchase it for 1 month, you will have to pay $12 per month. If you purchase it for 12 months, you will have to pay only $3 per month. Similarly, for 2 years and 4 years, you have to pay this price per month. Now I would recommend you to go with 4 years. Now let me explain you why. For example, if you go with 12 months, if you go with 1 year, you can see the pricing for all 3 is same. But you're getting this discount. This is approximately 70% discount. So you're getting this 70% discount only for first year. From the second year, you'll have to pay the regular prices. Okay, but if you go with 2 years, you're getting this 70% discount for both the years. Okay, similarly, if you go with 4 years, you're getting 70% discount for all the 4 years, and you'll have to pay even after renewal, even after 4 years when your when your plan expires, the renewal price is also heavily discounted. You can see after 4 years, when you renew your product on 2027, you can say 2027, when you renew your hosting, you'll have to pay only $7 per month instead of $12 per month. So the renewal price is also heavily discounted. This is one reason. Another reason is because if you, for example, let me show you the subtotal. If you go with 4 years, if you scroll down, you can see you have to pay only $170. In fact, if you enter my coupon code, if you click on have a coupon code and enter Nayyar, Nayyar, and click on apply, you can see you will get extra 10% discount. So now you have to pay only $150 for 4 complete years of hosting. Now if you compare this with some other hosting, for example, before recommending Hostinger 2-3 years ago, I was recommending A2 hosting. And for A2 hosting, if you purchase A2 hosting, for the first year, you will have to pay $130 to $135 just for 1 year. And the second year, the renewal price is even higher. But here for $150, approximately the same price, you're getting hosting for 4 complete years. So this is really important. So make sure you go with 4 years so that you get the heavy discount. You get the renewal price is also discounted, and you get 70-80% discount on all the 4 years. Then in your next step, you have to enter your email address. So whatever email address you enter over here, they will create an account with this email address. So they'll create your hosting account with this email address. So make sure your email, whatever you're entering over here, is correct. There is no spelling mistake or anything. And also make sure you have access to this email address. Now in this step, we are entering the email address. In the next step, we'll have to enter the password. And you have to remember this email and password so that, whenever you want to log into your hosting account, you can log in it. So again, I'm saying in this step, we are entering the email. In the next step, once we make the payment, you'll have to enter the password and you have to remember both the email and password. Then if you scroll down, you can make payment through credit card, debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. And if you're from India or from some other country, you will have even more payment options based on your country. For example, for India, you will have net banking, you will have Paytm, UPI payment, and so on. So once you select all these options, just click on this Submit Secure Payment button and make the payment. Right, so once you click on that button and once you make the payment, once your payment is successful, you will get this message that your payment is successful. You will see the pop-up and now you'll automatically be redirected to a new page. Now, as I said earlier, in the previous step, we have entered the email address, and in this step, we'll have to enter the password. So whatever password you want to set for your hosting account, type in that password. Just make sure that this is a strong password, which means that this contains letters, numbers, some special characters, and so on. So once you enter your password, after that, you can click on confirm and proceed to next step. Now, this is a welcome page. Okay, here they say welcome, or you will see this hello page. We don't have anything over here. We just have this start now button. Just click on this button and a new process will start for you. So click on this start now button. Now, first of all, they will ask you a few questions. Who you're creating this website for yourself, for a client, for a company you work for, or for somebody else. Now, based on your situation, you can select anything. I'm selecting myself. Now, what kind of website you're creating? A business website, blog, portfolio, online store, whatever option you want, you can select. Okay, whether online store or business website, whatever you want, you can select this option. Then after that, they will ask you a few more questions. I would recommend you to just fill in this simple survey. Now, whatever option you fill in, it does not matter. Next step, all the steps will be same for you. So just enter any options, or if you want, you can even skip this survey. So you'll see this skip link at the bottom of the screen. You can click on this link and you can skip this survey. Then after that, they will ask you to select a platform, what platform you want to use, WordPress, WooCommerce, or some other platform. Or if you want, you can even migrate your website. Now in this case, we want to use WordPress. So you can select this, you can click on this select button under WordPress, click on this button. And now you'll have to enter email and password for your WordPress account. Again, make sure to remember this email and password as well, because whenever you want to log into your WordPress website, you'll have to enter this email and password. So just enter any email address and password you want, and after that, click on continue. Then after that, you will see this page. Now they will recommend you few templates. Basically, these are pre-made, pre-built websites, but we don't want to use these kind of templates. So again, I want to skip this section because we want to design our own website. So click on this skip link at the bottom. And then after that, as I said earlier, with this plan, you get a free domain name. There are three options: claim a free domain if you want to buy or purchase a new domain. A third option, if you already have a domain name registered on some other website. And if you want to use that domain, you can do that thing as well. But as I said earlier, because we are getting a free domain, obviously, I'll recommend you to click on this button under claim a free domain. And whatever domain name you want to register for free, just type in that domain name. For example, if I want to register this domain name nayyarshake.co.in, so here I can type in Nayyar Shaikh, and at the right hand side, you can see in this drop down, we have so many different domain name extensions: .com, .net, .co.in, .xyz, .online. Whatever domain name extension you want, you can just select that. And after that, you can click on search. Now this will search whether this domain name is available or not. If it is available, you'll get this message that this domain is available. Now you can click on continue and proceed further. Now there is one more option over here. Now, for example, if you don't want to purchase or if you don't want to register a domain name right now, and if you already have a domain name registered on some other website, maybe on GoDaddy, Namecheap, or some other website, and if you want to use that domain name with this hosting your account, then you can select this third option, use an existing domain. So click on this select button under use an existing domain and type in that domain name that you have already registered. For example, there is one domain name BlogDude. I have registered this domain name on GoDaddy. Maybe I want to use this domain name with this hosting your account. So I can simply type in this domain name and after that click on continue. Now in the next step, they will show you that this domain name is hosted on GoDaddy and these are your current name servers. We don't have to do anything over here. We just have to click on this continue button and proceed further. And again, then after that, in this step, you will see this message. First of all, you can see your server location. It is, because I'm from India, for me, Asia data center location is selected. If you want, you can click on this thing and you can select some other data center location. As you can see, there are data center locations in USA, in Europe, in India, whatever data center location you want, you can select that. I don't recommend this thing. Just leave it at default. And after that, once you finish all this thing, you can just click on this finish setup button and complete this process. Now, once you finish this setup, once you complete this process, you will see this page at the end. Now, at the bottom, we have few options. We don't have to use any one of these options. Just click on this Hostinger logo at top. You see this Hostinger logo, click on this thing. Now you will be redirected to your Edge panel. If you don't see this Hostinger logo and anything like that, you can just type in edgepanel.hostinger.com. So this is basically your control panel. This is the place from where you will be controlling your hosting account. And whenever you want to come to this page again, you can just type in edgepanel.hostinger.com, enter your email and password, and you can log into this website. Now over here, if you click on websites, you will see this is the domain name that I had selected, blogdude, okay, or whatever domain name you had selected, you will see your domain name over here, okay. You can click on manage, and after that you can click on this button, WordPress overview. You see this button, click on this. Now for this particular tutorial, I'll be using this subdomain. You can see over here, digital.blogdude. Okay, this is the subdomain that I'll be using. Basically, once you click on that WordPress button, you will see this page. Here you can see Force HTTPS is on for you, Lightspeed server is on for you, SSL certificate is installed for you, it is active for you. If it is not active for you, you will see one button like this, install button over here. Okay, click on install SSL and SSL will be installed for you. Most of the times it will automatically be installed and activated for you. Now over here, you have to just do one thing, click on this edit website button and you will see a new tab will open for you. Now you'll automatically be redirected to a new page and you will basically be logged in to your new dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. Here as you can see, you will see this page, welcome to WordPress, and this is your dashboard. If you click on dashboard link from here, from the left hand side, this is your dashboard. Now this page, the dashboard page, is one of the most important pages of your website because from this page, you will be controlling your website. So if you want to change the style of your website, if you want to add products, manage orders, manage payments, everything will be done from here. Okay, so this is a very important page. Now, whenever you want to log into this page, there are two ways of doing it. You can type in your website name. For example, blogdude.com is my website name. So I can type in blogdude.com and after that put a /wp-admin. So if your website name is, for example, google.com, so google.com/wp-admin. Enter this domain and you will land on your dashboard. Now another way of coming to your dashboard or logging into your dashboard is you can come over here, come to Edge panel, and you can click on this edit website and you will automatically be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now before I show you some settings on the dashboard, let's again come back to this page. Okay. Now if you're using, for example, I have explained you earlier that you can create up to 100 websites with this plan, with this hosting plan, WordPress starter plan. Now today I have selected this domain name. Tomorrow if you want to use another domain, maybe if you want to use another domain or if you want to create another website with this plan, how you will do that. So this is one thing. Another thing is that if you're using some external domain, for example, if you're selecting some domain name which is registered on GoDaddy, you'll first have to link that domain with Hostinger. Let me show you how that is done. Let me show you both the options. So to create a new website, you click on this button, create or migrate a website, and you will not get this option. I'm getting this option because I've purchased multiple hosting options. But basically, once you click on this create or migrate a website, you will see the same process again. Okay, what type of website you're creating, you can select anything, whether you want to migrate a website or create a new website. We want to create a new website, I'll select. Now what you want WordPress or you want to use Hostinger Builder with AI. We want to use WordPress, so we'll select. Now for WordPress, this is the email. You can change your email and after that you can enter your WordPress password, whatever password you want for your WordPress account. Again, just make sure that this is a secure password. This is a strong password. It has at least one number, one symbol, one uppercase, one lowercase letter. Then after that, click on continue. They will recommend you few plugins. We don't want any plugins, so make sure you untick all this, or you can just click on skip. Then they will recommend you few themes or few templates. Again, we don't want it, so we can click on skip. Again, just skip all these things. We just want a simple WordPress installation. Now this time, let me show you how you can use an existing domain. If you already have a domain name registered on GoDaddy or some other website, and if you use that domain with Hostinger, let's see how that is done. First, you select this option, use an existing domain. Now I have this domain name nayyar registered on GoDaddy. So I'll select this thing, click on continue. In the next step, it will tell me where this domain name is hosted. So you can see this domain name is registered on GoDaddy. So now I'll have to go to GoDaddy and I'll have to do few settings. What you have to do, your existing name servers on GoDaddy is this. You have to change this name server and replace it with these two name servers. Okay, these two. So let's do that. Let's go to GoDaddy or wherever your domain name is registered, go to that website. Right, now once you go to GoDaddy or your domain name registrar and once you log in, you will see your website, you will see your domain name. Now for every domain name, you will see this DNS option. Click on DNS. DNS basically means domain name server, which we have to change. We have to change our domain name server. You can see. Now scroll down, you can see this is your existing name server. We have to change it. So click on change. Sometimes it might ask you this option. So select this option at the bottom, enter my own name server. Now you will see these two lines. Okay, you can delete these two options from here. Come back. Now copy this first name server, paste it under line 1. Copy your name server number 2, paste it under line 2. And after that, click on save. Now, once you click on save, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to link your domain with Hostinger. By that time, you can click on continue. And after that, WordPress will start installing on this new domain name. Now, again, once it is installed, you don't have to do anything. Just click on Hostinger, come back. Now, if you click on websites, you will see this website will also be added, nayyar.com. Now, similarly like that, you can click on manage and after that you can click on WordPress and you can manage this website. Now, we don't want to do that. We can now cut this thing, come back to your dashboard now. Okay, your website dashboard that we have already seen. Now, whenever we install WordPress on a new domain name, there are a few basic things that we have to understand and there are a few basic settings that we have to do. First of all, on your dashboard page, you will see some widgets. These are not really important. So we can click on screen options and we can untick all these options. We can get rid of all these extra widgets. Then at the left hand side, we have few options. Next option is post. Here you'll see one dummy blog post is created for you. Hello world. Later on in this video, we'll see how we can create our own blog post. So if you go to my demo website and if you click on blog, you can see, we'll see how we can create these kind of blog posts later on. Then after that, we have the media option. Now we have no media items found. Whatever media files, images, videos, whatever media files you install or you upload on your website, you'll see all these media files over here. Then we have the pages option. Here we have privacy policy page, sample page. Again, later on in this video, we'll see from this place, from this pages place, we'll have to create different pages like our home page, about page, okay, all those pages. Then we have the comments option. So whenever there is any comment, whenever somebody leaves any comment on any blog post or they leave any review on your product, you will see those things under over here. So if you want, you can approve this comment or review, you can reply it, you can delete it. Okay, you can do something like that. Then leave all the other options, click on appearance. Now under appearance, you can see there are 3 themes installed for you and one of those themes is activated. So in this case, 2023 theme is activated. Now if you open your website in a new tab, you can see this is how your website is looking. Now this look or this appearance or this style of your website is because of this theme, 2023 theme. If you go ahead and install or if you go ahead and activate some other theme, for example, let's activate this 2022 theme. If I click on this activate button, again, if you come back to this page and refresh it, now you can see your website design is completely changed. So this is basically what a theme does. A theme changes the style and appearance of your website. Now in this case, we just need one theme installed and activated. So all the other extra themes, you can just click on that and click on this delete button at the bottom right corner and delete these themes. We don't want to use any one of these themes. We'll be using a free theme, much better theme later on once I show you all the settings. In the next step, we'll see how to install new themes and plugins. Now at the left hand side, we have another option, plugins. Click on that. Now we have just seen what a theme is. Theme is basically the design or appearance of your website. Now what is a plugin? A plugin is kind of an add-on or a software that will add some extra features and functionalities to your WordPress website. For example, right now our website is just a simple blog. You can create different blog posts like this. This is a hello world, a dummy blog post. So you can create these kind of simple blog posts. But we want to create an e-commerce website wherein we can sell products, wherein we can have digital downloadable features so that person, once they purchase this product, they can download the product. Okay, they can download the digital file. Then after that, we also want, pricing features, payment option features, payment gateways so that people can make payment through card, PayPal or all. And then we can accept this payment and all those. So to add all these features, e-commerce features and other features, we need different plugins. Okay, those plugins will add these e-commerce features and other features to our website. For now, We don't need any one of these plugins. So just like themes, we can delete all these plugins. Okay. First deactivate them, and after that you can delete all at once. So tick mark all the plugins, or you can just select this thing, tick mark this thing, it will select everything. Now go to bulk actions, select delete, and you can delete all the plugins. I would recommend you to just leave this one, Lightspeed Cache. This is a caching plugin. This improves your website's performance. So just leave this one. Rest everything, tick mark it, select delete and click on apply. All the plugins will be deleted for you. Then at the left hand side, we have settings. Click on that. Now these are your general or your basic settings. First, you have to give your website some name. So maybe I want to give my website a name of digital. Okay. I'll type in digital over here, and tagline, whatever tagline. Tagline is basically you can describe your website in few words. So I'll just type in digital e-commerce. Okay, you can be more specific and describe your website, what kind of product you're selling and so on. Then after that, under membership, make sure you tick mark this thing, anyone can register, so that people can come on your website and they can create a new account on your website. Okay, we want customers to create an account on our e-commerce website. So make sure you tick mark anyone can register, you enable membership. Then after that, under time zone, select the time zone that you want to use. Now, because I'm from India, I'm selecting Kolkata time zone. Based on your country, you can select any time zone, and after that, click on save changes. Now under settings, click on permalinks and select this option, post name option. Whatever option is selected for you by default, change that and select the post name option. This is the most SEO friendly permalink structure. So select post name, click on save changes. Now under settings, you will see discussion. Click on this and you can tick mark this thing. In fact, you have to untick this thing. Comment author must have a previously approved comment. Okay, you have this tick mark, remove this tick mark and click on save changes. Now again, come back to your dashboard. Now with this, all the basic settings related to our WordPress website are now 100% completed. Alright, now let's do one thing. Let's install all the required themes and plugins. So right now, this is how our website is looking. We need to change the style of this website. We need to make it something beautiful like this one. And with that, we also need all these e-commerce and digital downloadable features on our website. So let's first install the theme. And for that, you'll click on this appearance option. Now click on add new. And under search themes, search for Woostify. Okay. You will see this plugin, you will see this theme over here, Woostify theme. Click on this install button and this theme will be installed. Once it is installed, you can click on activate. You can click on this activate button and this theme will be activated. Now we can also delete this 2022 theme. We don't need this theme. And whenever you install any theme, always make sure to enable auto updates so that whenever there is new version available for this theme, it will be automatically updated. Now, if you again come back to your theme, if you again come back to your website and refresh, you can see now the design is changed. Now with this, we also need a few plugins. The first plugin, the most important plugin that we need is a page builder. A page builder will help you to design this website. The designing part is done by page builder. Okay, so all the different pages, home page, about page, contact page, all these pages are designed by this page builder. This is also free theme or free page builder. And to download this thing, you will have to open a new tab and type in blogdot.com/Elementor. Again, you don't even have to type in this thing. This link is also given to you in the video description below. So you can simply click on that link and you should be now redirected to this page. Earlier, they had the free version available on this page, on the landing page, but they have removed it since. But you can still download the free version. Don't worry about that. By the way, if you want to download the pro version, for one website, you can click on buy now and you can purchase the pro version. We are not going to use the pro version. We will be using the free version. Don't worry. But I'm just showing you that if you want to use the pro version for just $59, you can use the pro version with many, many more features available. Okay. But if you again come back to this page, now, first of all, to download the free version, you'll have to create an account on this page. So to create an account, click on this login page, click on this login link. And once you click on this link, because I already have an account, I was automatically logged in or signed in. But if you don't have an account, you will see, let me actually do one thing. Let me log out from here and let me show you again. So once you click on that login button, login link, you will see this page. Now, because I have an account, I can log in. If you don't have an account, you can click on this option, create an account, create an account link. You can just enter your email and password and you can create an account, and after that click on sign in. Now, once you create an account and after that, once you sign in, you will be redirected to this page, my.elementor.com/website. Now you have to do some changes over here. You have to open click on the URL bar and type in this thing, my.elementor.com/welcome/auto-install and press enter. So you have to type in this link. You have to go to this link once you create an account on Elementor. Then after that, you can enter your website link. So I'll enter this link. Click on check for WordPress. Now this will check whether WordPress is installed on this website or not. If it is installed, you will be redirected to some page, but sometimes it might not work. Here, as you can see, this is not working. Once I click on this thing, it is not working. So if it is not working for you, don't worry. Just click on this link, download it here. You see this link, click on download it here. You'll download a zip file. Okay, here as you can see, we have this zip file. Now you can upload this zip file over here. Come back to this page, click on plugins. Now click on add new, upload plugin, and you can upload this zip file from here. So I'll just select this file, click on install now. Now once you install this thing, click on activate plugin, and you will see this setup. I want to skip this setup, so I'll click on this skip link, or you can cut this thing from here. All right, it says let's go to plugin. Okay, so this looks like an old version. A new version is available. Whenever you see any update available for any plugin or theme, always make sure to click on this update link and make sure to update this plugin or whatever plugin or theme it is. Make sure to update it. Let's refresh this page. Now it is updated. Now for plugin also, I would recommend you to enable auto updates so that whenever there is new update available, it will be updated automatically. All right. So we have the new version. Now we need a few more plugins. Now this Elementor page builder will help you to design this page. It is basically a page builder. It will help you to build and design different pages. You'll see how this works later on when we start designing the home page. Now we need few more plugins, but for those plugins you can download all from here. Under plugins, click on add new. Now first we need contact form 7. So if you search for contact, you will see contact form 7. Install this one. Now this plugin is to create this contact form on the contact page. If you go, this form is created using this contact form plugin. Don't activate these plugins right now. We can activate them later on. Then let's search for PDF. Search for PDF. If you just search for PDF, you will see this plugin, PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce. Install this thing so that your customers, if they want to download the PDF invoice, they can do that. Then after that, search for Wishlist. Okay, search for Wishlist and install this one, TI WooCommerce Wishlist by Template Invaders. And again, I hope you already know this thing, that this will help you to add this feature, Wishlist feature. You'll have this heart icon. If you click on this thing, this product will be added to your wishlist. All right. Then after that, we need WooCommerce. This is the plugin that will add all the e-commerce related features to your WordPress website. WooCommerce by Automatic. Install this thing. And this basically maybe is the most important plugin because this will convert your regular website, your blog website into an e-commerce website. All right. Now, once you install all these plugins, you can come back to, let's install one more plugin actually. Search for Classic Widget. If you just search for Classic, you will see Classic Editor, Classic Widgets. We need Classic Widgets. Install this one. Okay, Classic Widgets. Now, once you install all these plugins, come back to plugins. And now you can activate all at once. So tick mark it over here under bulk action, select activate and click on apply. You can now activate all the plugins. Now once they are activated, after that also enable auto updates for all plugins so that whenever there's new version available, it will be automatically updated. So again, tick mark, select everything under bulk action, select enable auto updates and click on apply. Now once you do this thing, first you will see this message, welcome to WooCommerce Wishlist plugin, run this setup wizard. You have to click on this button. A new setup wizard will start for you. If you don't see this button, you will see this option under settings, I guess. Let's see. Let me see this thing. Okay, if you don't see this button, you will see at the left hand side, we have TI Wishlist. You can click on this thing, you will see this setup wizard. But if you see this button, click on run this setup wizard, and this is for WooCommerce Wishlist plugin. Okay, this wishlist feature. Now click on let's go. Don't have to do anything. Just click on continue, continue, continue. Don't need to do anything. Okay. And once it is done, return to WordPress dashboard. Now let's remove these two widgets also from here. All right. Now if you click on pages, earlier we had only the sample page and privacy policy page, but Because we have installed this WooCommerce plugin, you can see cart page, checkout page, my account page, shop page is created. And because of the wishlist plugin, this wishlist page is also created. Now you can go ahead and delete this sample page and you can open the privacy policy page. You can add all your privacy policies over here, just simple comment. And once you have this page, you can go ahead and publish it. Okay, come back again to your dashboard. Alright, so with this we have installed a theme and we have installed all the required plugins. Now let's do WooCommerce settings. Set up WooCommerce. Okay, so under WooCommerce at the left hand side, you have WooCommerce. Hover over that and click on settings. So now we have to set up WooCommerce. We have to integrate different payment gateways. We have to set up, taxes and those things so that we can sell online products. Whether it's a physical product or a digital product, we have to do this setup. First of all, under general, you have to enter your website address, or you have to enter your business address. It could be your warehouse address, your office address, your business address. If you don't have a business address, you can add some other address as well. Now I'll type in some dummy address over here. All right, city name. Then after that, state and country name. So I'm entering Maharashtra, India. Zip code or postal code. Then whether you want to sell to all countries. So this is a digital product, no problem with selling to all countries. Enable taxes. Yes, we do want to enable taxes. Now what currency you want to use? By default, US dollar is selected. If you want to select Indian rupee, you can search for Indian rupee. If you want to select Pakistani rupee, you can do that, or any other currency, you can do that. Okay, all the options are given to you. Then after that, click on save changes. Now go to tags, and under tags we have to select this option, additional tags classes. Now just click on this thing, click on inside this box. Now press enter to come to new line and type in GST 12. For example, suppose 12% GST is applied on these products, on these digital products, or if it is called VAT in your country, you can type in VAT 12%, or maybe if it is 8% VAT or 8% GST, you can type in VAT 8%. Okay, it all depends on you. So I'll just type in GST 12%. Maybe 12% GST is applied on digital products. So I'll type in this thing, click on save changes. Now once you do this thing, you will see this GST 12 rates, or whatever rate you have entered. You will see a name for that. Click on that. Now click on insert row. Under country code, enter your country code. So I'll enter IN for India. Leave state, postal and city. Come to rate and type in whatever the rate is. So in this case, it is 12%. So I'll just enter 12. Under tax name, I'll type in GST 12%. And I don't want to enable shipping. So shipping should be disabled, and click on save changes. And just like that, you have created your first tax class. Now you can skip this shipping part because we are not shipping or delivering any physical product. Now come to payments. Now we have to do one thing. We have to integrate different payment gateways on our website so that we can accept online payments. Like you can see on this website, if you go to checkout, here we can accept online payments through credit, debit card, through PayPal, through net banking, wallet, UPI. So we have to integrate different payment gateways for this. And for that, we'll have to install different plugins. So at the left hand side, you will see plugins. Open that in a new tab. And now click on add new to add different plugins. Now based on your country, first you'll have to do some simple research. Just go to Google, type in whatever your country is. So for example, if you're from Bangladesh, you can type in a payment gateway payment gateway for WooCommerce in Bangladesh, something like that. So you have to search for some payment gateways that is available in your country. I'll give you some examples. For example, PayPal is very simple example. PayPal is accepted almost throughout the world. So you can use this PayPal payment gateway. Install this plugin. PayPal plugin, payment plugins for PayPal, WooCommerce. This is by payment plugins. Install this one. So PayPal, you can now accept payment through PayPal. Then another plugin that you can use is Stripe payment gateway. Again, very common, very famous payment gateway. And for this also, I would recommend you to install this plugin, payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. Now this plugin is this payment gateway is mostly available in Western countries or in most advanced countries like in Europe, in USA, Australia, these countries. And for India, there are many payment gateways. For example, there is PayU. If you search for PayU, you have PayU Money. You can search for that, PayU Money, as you can see. Then we have CC Avenue. Many payment gateways are available. If you search for that on Google, you can see that. The best payment gateway, in my humble opinion, is Razorpay for India. So if you search for Razorpay, you can install this plugin, Razorpay for WooCommerce. You can install this plugin. Similarly, as I said you earlier, if you're from some other country, if you're from some country in Africa, you can go to Google, search for best payment gateway for WooCommerce in Africa, something like that. Okay. And once you have installed all three plugins, you can again come back to plugins and activate all three, tick mark all three plugins, go to bulk action and activate, click on apply. All right. Now again, if you come back to this WooCommerce settings and click on payments, now you'll see many more new options available. First, let's set up PayPal payment gateway. So enable this thing. And after that, click on save changes. In fact, let's enable all three payment gateways first. We also want to, okay, these two are already enabled. Razorpay, Stripe and PayPal. Now let's set up. Click on PayPal gateway. Now obviously before accepting PayPal payments or Stripe payment or Razorpay payment, you have to first go to PayPal, create an account, and you need business PayPal account. Similarly, you need to go to Stripe, create a Stripe account, then you can accept payment through Stripe. Similarly, you need to go to Razorpay, create an account with Razorpay, and then you can accept payments. So in this case, first we are selecting PayPal. Now, once you click on PayPal, you have to click on API settings. And here you will get one button, click to connect. First under environment, select production. And after that, click on click to connect. And this will open this pop-up. In this pop-up, you have to log into your PayPal account. Again, I'm saying you need business PayPal account for this to work. So I'll enter my email, PayPal email, click on sign in, enter password, click on login. Now, once you successfully log in to your business PayPal account, click on agree and connect. This will now connect your website with PayPal. Now you can accept payment through PayPal and you will see everything will be connected. Click on save changes. Now let's again come back to payments. Let's set up Stripe. So click on Stripe credit cards. And this also again click on API settings. Mode, under mode, select live. And after that, first click on save changes. Now click on click to connect. Again, it will open a new tab and you will have to log in to your Stripe account. So enter your email address, log into your Stripe account. Now, once you log into your Stripe account, you have to select your business. Now click on connect. Now, once you do that thing, it will be connected. Stripe will be connected with your WooCommerce website, which is your website that you're creating right now. And you will again be redirected back to your WooCommerce settings, which means that this setup is now completed. Now your website is now successfully linked with Stripe. You can now accept payment through credit debit card through Stripe. And here, as you can see, everything is connected. Now you can click on save changes and it is done. Again, come back to payments. Now for Indian payment gateway, Razorpay, as I said, is the payment gateway, best payment gateway. And for this, you will have to do it manually. In these two cases, we have seen it was done automatically. Just log into your account and everything is done automatically. In this case, you have to do it manually. So we need to enter a key ID and key secret. For that, you have to go to dashboard of Stripe. So just go to dashboard.razorpay, not Stripe, dashboard.razorpay.com. Now, once you log into your Razorpay account, you will see this page. At the left hand side, we have all the options. We have account and setting. Click on that, accounts and settings. And after that, click on API keys. And under API keys, you will see for WooCommerce, here as you can see, website WooCommerce already selected. You need to copy this key ID. This is your key ID. Click on this. It will be copied. Come over here, paste it under key ID. Similarly, if you're doing this for the first time, you will also see your key secret. So you need to copy it from here and you need to paste it under key secret and click on save changes. If you don't know your key secret, or if you cannot see, you can generate a new key. Okay. Now with this, payment is now 100% completed. We have integrated all the three payment gateways. Now we can click on accounts and privacy. Here you need to tick mark this thing, allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout, allow customers to create an account during checkout, and allow customers to create an account on the My Account page. So tick mark these three and untick these two. Okay. Untick these two because this will automatically create a username for your customers and automatically create a password. We don't want that. We want our users to choose their own username and password. Okay. So untick these two. Click on save changes. Now finally, you can click on advanced, the last option, last tab. Make sure under cart page, cart is selected, checkout page, checkout, and under my account page, my account is selected. Now under terms and conditions page, you can create a new page and you can select this thing. In this case, I'll just select the privacy policy page and select it under terms and conditions and click on save changes. And with this, all the WooCommerce settings are also completed. Now let's see how we can create a product. So these are all different products. Here, as you can see, these are all different products. Let's see how we can also create a product like this. For example, let's see how we can create this Jay-Z product. So I'll come over here to create a new product. You will see products at the left hand side. Click on that, or under products, you can click on add new, or you can click on this create product button. Now let me open this product. This is how it will look like. First, we have the name of the product. So Jay-Z is the name. Maybe it is a PDF file, just example. So it is better to add PDF book after this thing. Okay, this will help you in SEO. Okay, and just enter whatever name you have. This is your product name. Then after that, this is your product short description. So in 2, 3 lines, 4 lines, you can describe your product. So this is a short description, and you will enter your short description at the bottom. You can see product short description. Enter this thing. Now, whenever you paste anything, just don't copy paste like this. For example, copy it and paste it. Don't do it like this. Okay, if I just, okay, let me see. Let me try again. Copy, right click, and if you don't see the paste option, you can press Ctrl V. But sometimes it is not better to just press Ctrl V to paste the option. Sometimes this was a simple text, so no settings, no styling were used. But if you copy something like this, you think that only the you might think that only the text is getting copied, but styling is also getting copied. So if I just copy everything from here and just press Ctrl V, you can see even the images and all these links, everything is copied. If you go to text, you can see even the div class, all the HTML tags are also copied. So whenever you copy paste anything from any website, first let me delete everything, make sure under text it is empty. The best option to copy is simple. You can just press Ctrl C to copy, but when you paste, make sure you press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Okay. Now if you go to text, you can see only the text is copied. Okay. Now let me again show you this thing. If I just select everything, all the images and all, copy. Now if I come over here, press Ctrl plus Shift plus V, only the text is copied. As you can see, everything is text, no styling. If I go to text, you can see only the text is copied. All right. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Again, I'll have to do the same thing. Copy this much, delete everything, paste it. Okay. So Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Then after that, we have, let's see what we have next. You can see we have the category, we have tags. So this product belongs to WordPress theme. Maybe this was a WordPress theme, but we have named it PDF book. So maybe this is a PDF book. So I'll create a new category. At the right hand side, you can see under product categories, click on add new category, and I'll type in PDF book or PDF books. Now click on add new category. Now whenever in future I have to add new PDF book, some other PDF book, I'll just select this PDF books category that is created. Now you can also create tags, for example, design and WordPress. These two are the tags. Now for tags, I'll add maybe books, or maybe this book is based on business, or the topic of this book is business. So I'll type in business. Okay, something like that. Then after that, we have the product short, we have the product long description. If you scroll down, this, as you can see, is the product long description. I'll copy everything till here, paste it, just Ctrl V. Now if I go to styling, here as you can see H4, this is, bulleted list and all. So this is how, if you just, let me actually do one thing. Let me show you how we can make this bulleted list and how we can make heading 4. If I just paste Ctrl plus Shift plus V, simple text. Now as you can see, everything is simple text. So if I want to make this thing, this is also text. Okay, simple text features. This is a paragraph. If you want to make it heading, you can select heading 3 or heading 4. Okay, now as you can see, and this is all simple. Again, simple text. We want to make it a list, bulleted list. So to make it a bulleted list, first you'll have to do one thing. You'll have to add all this in new lines. All right, like this. All right. Now you have to select everything like this. Go to this option and you will see bulleted list. Click on this. And now as you can see, we have this list. Okay. So you can do it like this. Then at the right hand side, we have product image. So this image, as you can see, is the product image. Now there is a link given into you in the video description below. If you click on that link, you can download all these images. Whatever images I've used to create this website, to create this demo website, you can download all these images, even some files for absolutely free. So if you open this, you will download basically a zip file like this. Okay. Once you click on that link, first you will be redirected to my website blogdude.com. And here, as you can see, for every single tutorial that I create, I always create a blog post like this. So once you click on that link, which is given in the video description, you will be redirected to a similar blog post. And here you will see HostChanger link, Elementor link. At the bottom, you will see download free images. Once you click on this blue download button, you'll download a zip file like this. You'll have to right click on this zip file and click on extract files. Once you click on extract files, you will see a media folder. And in that media folder, you can see all these images and some other files as well, which you can download for free and you can use these images. So let me upload this image from here. In fact, let me do one thing. Let me upload all the images from here so that we don't have to upload it again and again. I'll select everything and upload everything at once. Alright, so once these images are uploaded, you can select, for example, I want to select this image for the product image. Click on set product image. It is now selected. Now this thing is left, product data, pricing and all. So in this case, if you again come back to this product, the pricing is $59. So what I'll do is I'll add a regular price of maybe $100 and add a sale price of $59. So that it looks like the regular price was $59, but I'm giving 40-50% discount and offering it only for $59 instead of $100. Okay, or if you want to schedule this thing, you can do that thing as well. So maybe regular price is 100, it is available for 59 only till the end of this month. So start from today till end of this month, this price is available. So you can do this thing as well. Under tax status, maybe it is taxable, and under tax class, let's go back to general. Under tax class GST 12, you have to select this thing so that whenever somebody purchases this thing, 12% will be applied on this product. Okay. Then inventory, we don't have to do anything because this is related to stocks. Now this is a digital product. We don't do any stocking. Shipping also, no weight dimension required. Okay. Now here you have to do one thing. You have to tick mark virtual and downloadable because this is a downloadable product. Once they purchase this thing, they will download some file. So this is a PDF file, PDF book. So maybe let me select some PDF file from here. Click on add file, click on choose file. And this is a PDF file. As you can see, Elementor PDF file. We downloaded this as well, I guess. So I'll open this thing, insert this thing. So whenever somebody purchases this product, they will download this zip file. This is not a PDF file, zip file, but whatever file it is, whether it's zip file, PDF file, you can select the file. And under file name, I'll type in this product name, JZ PDF book. So whenever somebody purchases this thing, they will see this thing. Now under download limit, you can make it unlimited. Under download expiry, you can set an expiry date. Okay. So maybe let's say this product is only, you can purchase this product and you can download it only for 1 year. After 1 year, if you come back to this website, if you try to download it, you will not be able to download it. You will have to purchase it again. So if you want this option, you can type in 365 days, or if you want to leave it blank, then no download expiry limit, no download limit will be applied on this, which is the most common practice for digital products. There should be no download limit and no expiry date. Okay. All right. Now, once you do all these settings, you can now go ahead and publish this product. And just like that, you have created your first digital product. Now, if you open this product in a new tab, let's open this in a new tab. Here, as you can see, this is how it looks like, your product title. Here, as you can see, regular price 100, striked out. Now the sale price is 59, short description, add to cart. Okay, here as you can see now, this quantity thing is working. We need to get rid of this thing because we don't want people to increase the quantity and purchase this one product and pay 3 times or 4 times the amount. So we don't want any quantity option. For this you have to come back and you have to go to inventory and tick mark this thing, sold individually. So limit purchases to 1 item per order. Okay, tick mark, click on update. Again, if you come back, this will be gone. Refresh this page. Now the quantity thing is gone. You can now add the product in the cart. Now if you try to add again, you cannot do it because you can purchase only once. Okay, so make sure, very important, under inventory, you tick mark this thing, sold individually. All right, so this is working. As I said you earlier, we'll also see how to make it a free product. Now it's all simple. If you want to make it a free product, you can do one thing. Let me actually do one thing. Let me create a new product and show you this thing. We can duplicate this product. So I'll just duplicate because most of these settings are all same. Now let me open some other product. Let's create this product, Birdly. All right, so maybe this is some software. So I'll type in Birdly software and change this link as well. If you duplicate any product, then at the right hand side, this is not a PDF book. As you can see, this is a software. So I'll create a new category, click on add new category and type in software. Okay. Similarly, you can change the tags and all, short description, long description and all. Now under pricing, I'll type in, maybe the regular price was $700 and I'm selling it for maybe, let's see, $550. Okay. So you can do that thing. Now when they purchase this thing, first let me get rid of this. Now click on add file. Now once somebody purchases this thing, actually let's view. Okay, fine. We wanted to see the free product. So I have to get rid of this thing, pricing and all. In this example, we will select external affiliate product. If you want to make this thing a free product, okay, people don't need to add to cart and all. They can just click on this thing and they can download the product. So for that, you have to do one thing. You have to select external or affiliate product. Now under product URL, you have to go to media and for example, this is the Elementor file. Okay, you can upload this file first of all, whether it's a PDF file or whatever file, you can upload the file under media. You can just select file and upload the file under media, whatever the file is. Once you upload that file, you can open this file. Maybe this is the file and you will see file URL. Copy this file URL and paste it under product URL. Now under button text, you can type in download. All right. And we don't want any price. So price will be 0 and remove this thing. All right. So this is a free product. Okay. No taxable, nothing. All right. So this is how you make a product, free product. You can just type in external affiliate product, enter the product URL. Under button text, you can type in download. Let me change this image for this product. Rest everything is fine. Just publish it. Now let's open this product in a new tab. Okay, this is how it looks like. If I click on download, you can see this zip file is getting downloaded. So you can do it like this. You can make it free website. You can make it a paid website. It all depends on you. Okay, so we have seen both the options. Right, so now let's see one thing, how people can come to your website. They can place an order for any product and how they can download it. So it's simple. First of all, what I'll do is I'll open this website in a new private window or in a new incognito window, so that we can see the entire process. So this is your website. Obviously, it is very incomplete. No home page, no shop page, any page. But people can come to your website. They can go to login, register. They can create a new account on your website. Maybe I'll select some username. All right, maybe this is my username. All right, and then I'll enter my email address and some password. Now, once you do this thing, or once your visitors do that thing, after that, they can click on register and create an account. Now let's go to the shop page. So shop page link is simply your website name /shop. Okay, so this is the shop page. It looks a little bit different. We'll fix it. Don't worry. Right now, we are just seeing how it works. So I want to purchase this product, for example. Okay, JC PDF file. I'll add to cart this product. Let me actually do one more thing. We did not create a coupon. Let's see how a coupon is created. So under WooCommerce, you can click on coupons. And if you want to create a new coupon, you can click on create your first coupon, or you can just click on add coupon button. Now coupon code, you can type in, for example, if you type in my name, Nayyar, you can get maybe 10% discount. So I'll type in percentage discount and here I'll type in 10. So you'll get 10% discount. Then after that, coupon expiry date, you can set an expiry date for this coupon. Okay. So maybe I want to set this expiry date for this coupon. Then after that, usage restriction, minimum you have to spend this much amount or maximum this much amount, only then you can get a coupon. Okay, something like that. Usage limit, usage limit per coupon, usage limit per user. So maybe one user can use this coupon only once. So usage limit per user, I'll type in 1. Now click on publish. Again, let me come back to this page. Now click on view. Now once you click on view cart, if I type in this coupon, click on apply coupon. Here, as you can see, for 59, now I got 10% discount because for this coupon code, and 12% GST is also automatically applied. Now, if I click on proceed to checkout, now I'll have to enter my details. I'll enter my details over here. All right. And PIN code, some phone number, And after that, I can just select any payment method I want. Tick mark I agree to website terms and conditions and click on place order. And the next step in the Razor Pay or whatever the payment option is, you can make the payment. And once you make the payment, I did not make the payment because obviously I don't want to make payment to myself. But once you make the payment, you will see this thing. Once a customer makes the payment, you will see this option under WooCommerce orders. If you click on this thing, you will see payment is pending, and you can see, okay. Now, once anybody makes the payment, you can go ahead and change the status of the product. Instead of pending payment, you can make it completed and click on update. Okay, so you can make do these changes. Now, if I again come back to this page, this customers page, if I go to my dashboard, click on orders, you can see this is completed. Now, if I click on view, I can now download this file, click on JZ, and now as you can see, this file is getting downloaded. Alright, so this is how this works. You can make the payment, and after that, once the payment is done, you can download this product. Alright, so this is all working. Alright, now with this, basically the technical part all are now completed. Only the designing part is left. So you can see this is how your website is looking right now. Very simple, nothing present on the website. We want to create a beautiful website like this one. So let's see how we can design this website. Let's start with this home page. So first, again, come back to your dashboard. Let's create a home page. So click on pages. Click on add new, and under title I'll type in home because this is going to be our home page. And at the right hand side you will see this template. Change this template. Instead of default template, select Elementor full width and click on publish. Once you click on publish and publish this page, we need to set this page as a home page. So we need to come back to our dashboard, hover over settings at the left hand side and click on reading. Now under this option, your home page displays, select the second option, a static page. And we want to display this page, home page, under our home page. Okay, click on save changes. Now again come back to pages, select home, click on edit, and now we can use Elementor to edit this thing. So click on Elementor, and this time, first time in fact on my channel, we'll be using container, the new Elementor option, container option. So click on continue, and we need to first activate container. So you can go to this option, or you can just do it from here. Click on activate container. You have to go to Elementor, and under Elementor click on settings. Now click on features, and over here we have to enable flex box container, and we also need to enable grid container. We'll be using both grid container and flex box container. So enable both options. Go at the bottom, click on save changes. Now again you can come back to this option and refresh this page. Once you refresh this page, you should see the container option at the left hand side. Here as you can see, under layout we have container. So this setting is now working for you. Now let's start designing this page. So we have to design it section by section. There are 4 sections. This is your first section. Featured items is your second section. This is your third section. And finally, we have another product section. This is our 4th section. So first, let's create a first section, our hero section. So for that, we'll do one thing. We'll come over here. We'll use the container. So you can simply drag and drop the container like this, and you will see this option. Now over here, we have to first use this title or this heading. So I'll copy this heading, come over here. Now click on this 9 dots icon. If you see this, if you follow my mouse cursor, click on this 9 dots icon and select this heading option. Drag and drop the heading like this and type in whatever title you want. So I'll just paste in this text. We want to make it center aligned. So we'll select center align, go to style. We have to change the color to white, but we'll do that later on, because right now if I change the text color to white, it will disappear because the background color is also white. So we'll change the color later on. First, let's change the typography, which is basically your font family, all the font related or this typography related settings. So by default, the font family is Roboto. I want to change this thing and make it Poppins. Okay, this is the font family that I want to use. And you can also increase or decrease the size like this. You can also make it bolder or thinner. If you select 100, as you can see, very light. If you make it medium, 500. If you want 900, very bold. I want to make it 60. Okay, so font size will be 60 pixels. Weight will be 600. And we can also add line height. So between these two lines, you can add some space. So under line height, by default, it is pixels. I recommend EM. Select EM instead of PX and type in 1.3. Now, as you can see, space between each line is now increased. Basically, the line height is increased. Then after that, we have this text. So I'll copy this text and we'll be using text editor, simple text editor for this. So drag and drop the text editor, paste in the text, go to style, center align, typography, we'll make it Poppins for this as well. And after that, we'll change the size to 18 and make it a little bit bolder at 500. We also want to change the color to this yellow color. Now, if you want to get the exact color, if you go to any website, if you like any color, for example, these are all beautiful colors. If you want to get the exact color, you can just right click on that. For example, if you want to get this color code, you can just right click over here, click on inspect. Now you'll see at the bottom, you'll see all these things. Now at the bottom right, you will see, if you scroll down, you will see this color code. You can see this is the color code. Copy this, come back to your website, and you can paste in this color code over here under text color, paste in this color, and now you have this color. You can also save this color. So if you click on add new color, I'll type in yellow 1. Okay. So next time when you want to use the same color, you don't have to copy the code and all. You can just click on this globe icon. And now as you can see, we have this yellow one saved. All right. So we have made it Poppins and all. And after that, we have this search bar. Okay. So for this search bar, what I'll do is if you search for search bar, you will not get it. So to see that search bar, you have to go at the bottom. At the left hand side, you will see WordPress. Open WordPress. Okay. And here you will see this search, but we don't have to use the regular search. We have to use product search. So let's see. Okay, product search. Here it is, product search. Drag and drop it over here. And this is how it will look like. Now, if I hide this thing, this is very wide. We don't want this wide. So we can do one thing. We can add some margin at left and right so that we can decrease the size of this one. So for that, we'll do one thing. We can go to advanced. And we can add some margin at left and right. So instead of pixels, first of all, I'll add percentage. So instead of pixels, select percentage and delink this thing. Because right now, if you type in, for example, 50, as you can see, 50% from all sides is added. So delete it, delink it. So click on this link. It will be delinked. I want to add only left and right. So from left and right, I want to add 25%. Okay, margin from left and right. Now, as you can see, this space is added and now this is in between. Now, whenever you do any changes on your website, always make sure to click on this update button over here. Okay, so the changes are now saved. Now, before we create this thing, let me first do one thing. Let's add this image in the background so that we can do more things. So to add this image in the background, you have to click on section settings. But for the first time, for the first section, you might not be able to do it. For example, if I add another container over here at the bottom, at top of any container, you will see this edit container settings, 6 dots icon. But here we are not able to do that because here, as you can see, it is hidden. So if you're not able to click on that 6 dots icon, you can do one thing. At the left hand side, bottom left, you will see navigator. Click on navigator and you will see this thing. Now, if you click on container, now at the left hand side, you have edit container. Okay. Now in the edit container, go to style and we want to add something in the background. So select background. Under background type, upload the image. So in this case, we want to upload this image. Select this, click on select image added in the background. Okay, display size, you can make it cover if you want, or you can leave it at default. I'm selecting cover, and position, maybe center. Okay, whatever position you want, you can change the position of this thing. Then after that, let's add some spacing at top and bottom. See, as you can see, at top and bottom, we have some spacing. So I'll go to advanced, delink, under padding top 100 pixels. Okay. And under bottom padding, we'll type in 75. Okay, so some spacing at top, some at bottom. Now this is looking very different because on top of this image, we need to add overlay so that we can display the text and all more properly. So for that, we have to go to background overlay and under background type, select classic. Under color, select color and whatever color you want. So I'm selecting black color. Now by default opacity is 0.5. I want to increase this thing to 0.75. Okay, now this is how it is looking. Now for the text, click on this text and now we can change the color of this text to white. Okay, now everything looks much better. Again, I want to save the changes. Now I want to do one thing. Default font family is Roboto. So that is the reason why again we have to go to typography, change it from Roboto to Poppins. I want to save some time. I don't want to do it because we have to add so many text. I don't want to do it again and again. So I want to make my default font family as Poppins. That will save me some time. So to do that thing, at the top left corner, you will see this hamburger icon, this 3 lines icon. Click on this. Now click on site settings, select global fonts, and under primary, you can see by default it is Roboto. We want to change the primary font family, default primary font family to Poppins. default secondary font family to Poppins. Okay. Similarly, text color also will be Poppins and link color will also be Poppins. So bottom accent color will also be Poppins. All right. And after that, you can click on update. Just make sure everything is fine. Come back again. Now let's add this section. Now to add this thing, we want three options. Basically, we want three columns over here, but you cannot do it with this container. If I try to add icon box, for example, this is icon box that we are using. If I search for icon box and if I drag and drop it over here, you can see one icon box. If I drag and drop another icon box, let me come back. Okay. You can see I cannot do it like this. I want this side by side. So to bring this thing side by side, we'll have to use container inside this container. So bring this container inside this container and change the container layout from flex blocks to grid. Okay, now we need grid. And by default, here as you can see how many columns and rows you want. So by default, we have 3 columns, 2 rows. I want 3 columns, but I want only 1 row. So under row, I'll make it 1. Okay, delete this extra row. Now we have 3 columns. If you want to make it 4 column, 5 column, if you just want 2 columns, you can increase or decrease this number. So in this case, we want 3 columns and 1 row. Now, once you have this thing, you can again come back. Now you can search for icon box and bring this icon box over here. Now let's see what we have, this PDF icon. Okay, if you search for PDF, okay, PDF file icon, click on insert. Okay, this is the icon and text is PDF books. Okay, so I'll enter the text. I don't want any description. Now what I want is whenever somebody clicks on this PDF books, I want them to be redirected to my PDF category. Product category, if you remember, we had created. So under products, if you see under products, we have categories, click on that. And here you have PDF books. So hover over PDF books, you will see view. Right click on view and click on copy link address. Come over here and paste in this thing under link. Now whenever somebody clicks on PDF books, they will be redirected to this product category. All right. Now icon position, we want left. So select left. Now go to style. Let's style this thing. First of all, we want this color, yellow color for this icon. So first we have icon setting color. We'll click on the globe icon and select yellow one. Now we have this color and size. We don't want this big icon. We want to decrease the size of this icon. So in this case, I'll select maybe, let's select 25 pixels. All right. So 25 pixels icon and rest everything is fine. Let's go to content. Okay. This text PDF books. Now, if you see, if I go to typography, it will automatically be Poppins, as you can see, because we have changed the default font family. But I want to decrease the size. So font family is fine, but font size will be 25 and instead of 600, I'll make it 500. Okay. And color will be white. So we'll select white color and vertical align, make it middle. Okay. So that it is in middle like this. And rest everything is fine, I guess. Alignment also will be center. Okay, not this center. I'll change the alignment later on. For now, you can do one thing. You can copy this thing, paste it over here, paste it over here. Now select the second option, click on this. And in this case, we have this icon. We have another icon, audible icon. So I'll select audible. And here the text is audible books or audio books if you want. Again, you can go to product categories. Maybe this is software. Maybe this is your audible books category. So I'll copy this link, paste it over here. All right. Similarly, for the third one as well, you can do the changes. Now, once you do all the changes, you can now click on this edit container. You can see my mouse cursor, click on edit container. Now, what we need to do is columns and rows, everything is fine. We need to set a maximum width. So here, as you can see, if I decrease this maximum width, I want to make it 800 pixels. And now I want to bring everything in center. So if you see alignment, you can make it center. Okay. And justify items, you can make it center. Now this is looking much better. Now if I hide this thing, this is how it looks like. And we have completed our first section with this. Now we can go ahead and click on update and save the changes that we have made. Now let's go ahead and create a second section. Rest all these sections are very easy. This had a lot of things. So rest all these sections are pretty easy. Now to create another section, we'll have to add another container. So I'll just drag and drop the container over here. And this is our title. Copy the title. Use the heading element. So drag and drop the heading element. This is going to be our title. Size, everything is fine. So I don't need to change anything. Maybe let's make it a little bit bolder. So go to style, typography, 600. I think 600 is fine. No need to make it bolder as well. Then we have the text. Copy the text, and we'll be using text editor for this. Paste in the text. Go to style. Just change the color to maybe this color, theme accent color, 2B color. If you don't see this color, you can just type in hashtag 2B. Okay, you'll get this color. Then below this thing, we need to add our featured items. Okay. Now, first of all, if you want to make any product as a featured product, you have to go to this page. Maybe I want to set this product, JZ PDF book, as my featured product. So to set this product as your, to make this product your featured product, you can click on this star icon. If you click on star icon, this is now your featured product. All right. Now search for shortcode. Search for shortcode. Here it is. Bring this shortcode element over here. All right. We have this shortcode element. Now you need to go to Google, and on Google search for WooCommerce shortcodes. You will see this link. First link, open shortcodes included with WooCommerce. Open that link. Scroll down and go to this section, scenario section, example of product scenarios, random sale item, featured products. We want to display featured products, so we need to copy this this code. Okay, copy everything from here, come back to your website and paste it under shortcode. Now it will display only one because we have set only one product as a featured product. Now I want to change the limit to 3. We want to display only 3 products, and we need 3 columns, not 2. So columns will make it 3 instead of 2, and limit will make it 3 instead of 4. Okay. Now the product is looking a little bit different. The aspect ratio and all is not properly aligned. Don't worry, we'll fix this thing. First, we are just creating this page. All right. So I'll update this page. Now, if you see properly, the background color of this section is a little bit different. It's not white. It's a little bit different. So let's change the background color. So to see what the background color is, I'll just right click over here and click on inspect. And here, as you can see, background color is this color. I'll copy it and come over here. Click on this 6 dots icon, edit container. Go to style, background color. I'll paste in the color. This is FCFBFF. I'll add this color in my global color. Name it BG, background color. Now go to advanced. Let's add the padding, 100 pixels top and 75 at bottom. Right. Now click on update again. Then after that, we have another section. So we'll add another container over here. Okay, drag and drop it over here at the bottom. Now we have the text. Now what I can do is the styling of text and everything is fine, is the same. So I'll right click on this thing, copy it, right click over here, paste it, and I'll change the text to why choose digital or whatever your brand's or company's name is. Make it center align. Then after that, I'll copy this subtitle, paste it over here, right click, paste. Now bring it in center, go to style and make it center align. Then below this thing, we need to add this option. Okay, we need to add the icon box again. But for that, again, we'll have to add container. So drag and drop the container, change the container layout to grid. And this time we need 3 columns, 2 rows, which is fine. Now again, we have to search for icon box because this is also icon box. So I can open the icon box over here. First, we have this code icon. So I'll search for code icon, and which is over here. Select the code icon, insert it. Now view will be stacked because we want to display in circular and we also want to display the color and all. So view will be stacked, shape will be circle, and text will be we are open source. Okay, this is going to be your text and this is going to be your description. All right. Now we want it left align. So icon position, everything is fine. To make it left align, go to style and content, make it alignment left like this. Now go to icon. Let's change the icon color. So first I'll right click on this icon, inspect, see what the color is. This is the color, background color, copy it, come over here. Background color is your primary color. So under primary color, paste in this color. Now as you can see, background color changed. And after that, secondary color is going to be white. So I'll set this as white. Okay, background color this, secondary color white, which is fine. Now we need to decrease the icon size. Okay, here the icon is big. So change the size of this icon. So in this case, I'll make it 35 pixels, which is good. Then after that, let's see the content. So content typography, first we have title. Okay, this is the title. So typography, under typography, I'll change the size to maybe 20 pixels and 600 is fine. And for description, it is looking good, so don't need to change anything. Now need to change the color. So title color, inspect. Let's see what the color is. Okay, this is the color. So I'll copy the color code. Come over here, paste in this color code. Similarly, text color is also, I guess, fine, same color. So I'll paste in the same color code. Now, because we have the website, you can copy paste the colors, but in future, if this website disappears, how you can copy paste any color? So you can just get any color code. For example, if you want this color code, you can copy this thing and you can go to this website, make tints and shades. Okay, make tints and shades.com, enter any color code, click on make tints and shades. And now as you can see, you get so many different shades for this color. So this could be your text color and this light color could be your background color. This color could, you get the idea. Okay, so this is how it works. You can get different shades of this same color. So in this case, I want to have this background color. Let's see what the background color is. This color, copy it, come over here. Now let me select, okay, let me select this option, edit option, icon, content. Let's go to advanced and let's change the background color. Select background, paste in this color, fine. And after that, we need to add padding from top, bottom, left, right. So for padding, I'll select maybe first go to advanced layout. Padding from top and bottom will be 50. Okay, so top 50 and bottom 50. Right and left will be 30. Right, bottom also 50 and left also 30. Fine. Now if I hide this thing, this is how it is looking, as you can see. Now I need to make this make these corners rounded. Okay, we need rounded corners like this one. So for that, you will have to select the border option. Here it is, border option, and the border radius type in 20. Okay, and now if I hide this thing, you can see this is looking perfect. Once you have completed once, you can just right click, duplicate, click and duplicate it 6 times or 5 times until you have 6 options. Now you can click on the second option. Rest everything is same. Change the icon to this bulb icon. All right. Now you need to just change the color. So let me get this color code. Okay, this is the color. You can again go to tints and shades. Okay, maybe this is the color that I want for icon. Go to style. Okay, this is my background color. Now for text, I can select maybe this color. So I'll copy this. Go to content. This is text. Okay. If you want to make it a little bit lighter like this, you can increase or decrease the transparency of the color. Okay, like this. So I'll copy this color, paste it over here. Then for background, maybe I'll use this this light color. So I'll come over here again, go to advanced, select background, which is over here, and paste in this color. And now as you can see, this is how it is looking. Similarly, for third, fourth, fifth color, you can do the same thing. Now once you do it, you can go to edit container, and now we can add the padding, top 100 and bottom 75. All right, click on update, and you can go ahead and do all the changes for these options as well. Now we just need the last section. So for that, what I'll do is I'll copy this entire container, copy it, right click, copy the end container and paste in this container, because it is exactly the same container, only the title is different. Instead of featured items, we need to display latest products. So shortcode also, we need to delete this shortcode. We don't need to display featured items. We need to display the latest products. So for that, again, we'll go to this shortcode page, scroll down, and newest products. We need this code. Okay, for newest products or latest products, copy the code, paste it over here. Again, limit this time will be 6. You can see we are displaying 6 products. So limit will be 6 and columns will be 3. Right, now you can click on update. Rest everything I think is fine. We don't need to do anything else. With this, your home page is now 100% completed. Right, so this page that we have created, this is looking pretty good on a desktop. Let's see how it looks on a mobile phone. Basically, let's make this website a mobile friendly website, or this page specifically. So to do that thing, at the left hand side bottom, you'll see this responsive mode icon. Click on that. Now select mobile icon. Now this is how it will look on a mobile phone. As you can see, most of the things are looking good. Just a little bit, we need to fix this thing. So click on this thing. It is looking pretty big on mobile phone. So maybe I'll decrease the size For the second text as well, click on text, typography, decrease the size to maybe 12, 13, 14 pixels is fine, 14 pixels. Then this search bar is looking good, but we don't want 25% left and right. Maybe we want just 5 or 10% left and right. Okay, for mobile phone. Good. Now this thing, you can fix it. You can click on this option, edit container. And for mobile phone, maybe we want 3 columns. Okay. And this is how it will look like. Don't worry, we can fix this thing. Click on this text, click on this one, go to this thing and change this size. Maybe just make it 12, or maybe let's make it 18 or maybe 20 pixels text. Okay. And you can do one thing, right click, copy, then right click, paste style, right click, paste style. Again, looking much better. So first section is now done. Now for the second section, you can see there is no space at left and right. So we can click on this text, go to advanced, and again select percentage. Left and right, we can make it 5%. Here also, left and right, 5% margin. This is looking good. No need to do anything over here. Now this is looking good, but we just need to, increase. Let's see. Let's increase the line height to maybe 1.3. And rest everything is looking good. We don't need to do any changes. Here also, we can just add left and right 5% margin. All right. Now it is looking good on mobile phone. You can also see how it looks on a tablet. So this is how it is looking. Again, this text is pretty big for tablet. So we'll decrease the size of this text. Second text as well. Decrease the size to maybe 12 or 13 pixels. Search bar is fine, but still maybe let's add only 20% left and right. All right. This is let's click on edit container, and instead of 800, let's make it 600. All right. Then select this text, change the size of this text, go to content, typography. Let's maybe make it 18 pixels. Now right click, copy, right click, paste style, right click, paste style. Okay, now looking much better. Now for this, let's see. Here also just add left and right padding. Rest everything I think is looking good. We don't need to do anything else. All right, now we can cut this thing and now we can update it. So your website is now mobile and tablet friendly. Now we can again come back to your dashboard. So website name /wp-admin. Now let's see how we can create different blog posts. So go to blog and open a single blog post. Let's see how we can create a blog post like this. So for this, we'll click on post at the left hand side, delete the hello world. This is a dummy blog post. Add a new blog post. So to add a new blog post, I'll click on add new. This is my title. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Okay. Then after that, at the bottom, you'll add all the text. So these are all simple text. I'll first copy the simple text. Then at the bottom, if you want to add column, you can click on this plus button, search for column. Here it is. Maybe if you want this column 3366. Now at the left hand side, I want to add an image maybe. So I'll select image, media library. Let's see if we have any image for that. Okay, maybe let me upload this image. Click on select. And at the right hand side, I want to add this text. So I'll copy this text. Click on this plus, select paragraph and add the text, right? So this is how you can do this thing. Maybe I'll delete this much. You can add text, you can add columns, images, all these things inside this blog post. Okay, this is how you can write a blog post. Then at the right hand side, click on post, click on this post, and you can give a featured image like this. Okay, like this, so that you can see featured images like this. So I can come back over here, click on set featured image, set any image as your featured image. Maybe let me set this image as the featured image. And then after that, you can add a category. So under categories, click on add new category. And maybe this is related to business. We are talking about business over here. So I'll add a business category. Click on add new category. And remember, this category is different from product category. This is for your blog post. And that was for products. Now after that, click on publish, and this is how you can create blog post. So again, you can come back and you can create multiple blog posts if you want. Now let's create some other pages that are left. For example, about page, contact page, all these pages. First, let's create the blog page. So go to pages, click on add new, and let's give it a title of blog and just publish it. Now, just like the home page, we have to set this page as our official blog page. So for that, again, hover over settings, click on reading, and under post page, select the blog page and click on save changes. Now again, come back to pages. Let's create some other pages. So in this case, click on add new. Let's create our about page. Okay, this page, about us page. If I open this thing, this is how it looks like. Now, again, if I try to create this page from scratch, it will take a lot of time. So what I'll do is first, let me give it a title of about or about us if you want. And at the right hand side, again, under template, select Elementor full width and publish this. Now click on edit with Elementor. So once it is published, click on edit with Elementor. Now just like the home page, you can create this page from scratch, but I don't want to do that thing because I have already shown you how to create a page. So what you can do is, if you open your media folder, inside the media folder, you have these images. We also have the pages file. And here we have, as you can see, about page and contact page template. So click on add template, click on this button, add template button, go to my templates. Right now it will be empty. Here it says haven't saved any templates. So you can import, click on import template, select file and open the pages under media and import the about page. Click on enable and import. And after that also import the contact page template. So first, once it is completed, once you see the about page over here, digital about page, after that also import the contact page template. Then after that, because we're creating the about page, we'll select about us and insert this page. Click on apply. And now as you can see, we have this page over here. Okay. You can just click on this text, to replace these images and text. You don't have to design it. Designing and everything is done. Just need to replace content. Now click on update. Again, come back. Let's create our contact page. Click on pages. Add new. Our wishlist page is already created. Shop page is created. Only these three pages needed to be created. So we have created the about page, blog page. Only the contact page is left. So let's give it a title of contact us maybe. And we don't need to change default template to full width. You can change it, but not required. Full width, we change the full width template when we have anything just stretching from to both the sides. For example, if you come to about page, in this example, this section, as you can see, we have background color which is stretching from left to right. Even if you zoom in or zoom out, you can see this is how it is looking. Okay, stretching left to right. So in this example, we have to set, in this case, we have to set full width. In the contact page, nothing like that is happening. Okay, so we can have a default template. No need for full width. Now click on add template, go to my templates, and we already have this contact page, insert it. Okay, again, everything will be given to you. Now, if you don't see the contact page, just click on this. It will be a short code. You will have to go to contact, click on contact, copy this short code like this, paste it over here. Now this is looking really bad. Don't worry about this thing. We'll fix this thing, make it like this. For that, actually, let me show you how that is done. Update it first of all. Now, if you want to change the map location, you can click on this pencil button under map and type in whatever location you want. If I type in Mumbai over here, or any exact location if you want, it will give you this map, right? Similarly, for text and all, you can just click on this thing and replace the content. Simple stuff. Now let me do one thing. Let me show you how to fix this thing too. So to fix this form and to fix a few more things, for example, if I go to the home page, here as you can see in the home page in the demo website, if you go, for these pages, for these products, you can see we have nice shadow. Okay, here we don't have any shadow. So because of this shadow, the emphasis is on the product, and you can see the product is separated from the background. So to add these things, you have to first click on customize link at top. Okay. Now click on additional CSS and go to media folder, open this CSS thing, this file, CSS file, copy everything, just select everything, copy it. And as soon as you paste it, you will see this thing. If I paste in this thing over here, okay. Now this is looking weird. Don't worry, we'll fix it. But you can see this is how it is looking. Publish it. Now once you paste in this CSS, if you refresh your contact page, you will see the contact form will also be fixed. Now as you can see, this form is also fixed, looking much better. And we'll fix all these things. Don't worry. In fact, let's fix this thing. We have created all the pages and everything. In fact, before that, let's create a menu. We have not yet created a menu. Let me cut this customize thing. We have not yet created the menu. So menu is left, footer is left, and sidebar is left. Okay, so we'll see these three things, then we'll do the final customization. So to create a menu, you hover over appearance and click on menus. And under menu name, you will name it main menu, or you can name it primary menu, header menu, whatever you want. I'll name it main menu in this example. Click on create menu. What all links? Here as you can see, home, contact, we have all the pages. So I'll click on under pages, I'll click on view all, home, blog, about, contact, shop. We don't want the wishlist link because we have this heart icon. This is your wishlist page. So we don't want that. We don't want the my account page link because this is your my account. This is your cart page. So we don't want these links. All right. So click on add to cart, bring this shop page link. Now under shop page link, if you want to display these categories, you can do it like this. You have to first click on screen options and tick mark product categories. Then you will see product categories tab over here. And maybe I want to display these two product categories. Select, click on add to menu and bring it under shop. Okay. Now make sure to tick mark primary menu and click on save menu. Now if you come back to your website and refresh it, you will see the primary menu over here. Under shop, we have these two and everything is now working. All right. This is how it looks. Now let's see our footer. So under footer, you can see this is your title, this is your text. And after that, we have three different menus. Okay, these are also menus. So let's create these menus. So I'll click on this link, create a new menu. And let me name it footer 1. Click on create menu. 4 or 5 different links in each. So in this case, I'll add home, blog, about, and contact page in footer 1. Don't need to tick mark anything. Just click on save menu. Now click on create a new menu again. This is going to be a footer 2. So I'll name it footer 2. Click on create menu. And in this example, we'll add maybe the shop page link. Okay. My account link, or maybe not the my account link, wishlist page link, cart page, and checkout page. These 4 links. Click on save change, save menu. And finally, for last, create a new menu. Name it footer 3. Create menu. And this I want to add my account first. And after that, under WooCommerce endpoints, I want to add logout, lost password, and maybe orders. Okay, these 3. Now click on save menu. And before we go to widgets, make sure you have installed this plugin that I've shown you. Classic widgets. Let me come back to plugins. Make sure you have this classic widgets installed and activated. Once you have that thing, again, after that, you can go to appearance, widgets. Under appearance, click on widgets. Now WooCommerce footer sidebar. Now footer widgets, before we work on footer widgets, first again, we have to click on customize. We have to enable footer. We have to divide footer into maybe 4 columns. In this example, in the demo website, we have 4 columns. So click on customize, click on layout, footer, and column width, select 4. Okay, column widget columns, we want 4 columns. Now we will have 4 columns. Now because we are under this, let me also fix this copyright thing. Here as you can see, copyright 2023 digital. This much is fine till digital. So till title, site title, it is fine. After that, you have this pipe icon, and after that, powered by and all. I don't want all these things, powered by theme and all these things. So I'll delete it. I'll type in made by Nayyar Shaikh. You can use anchor tag over here, HTML anchor tag if you want, and publish it. Right. Then link and link color, I'll make it, if you see under design, we have link color, text color. I'll change that thing to black, publish it. Now again, refresh the widget page. Now under footer widget, you can add all these things. So first we have this text. with the title. So I'll select this thing, search for text. This is your text. Select footer widget, click on add widget. Now you can first add the image, click on add media and add whatever image you want. So in this example, I have added this image, and after that you can add the text, then click on save. Then below this thing, you have to add this navigation menu. You can see this navigation menu. I'll drag and drop it over here just below the text. I'll name it company. Title is company, footer 1. Same thing, navigation menu, drag and drop it. Second title maybe shop. All right. Footer 2. Third title is maybe WooCommerce. So navigation menu again. Footer 3, save. Now if you again come back over here, see the home, see the footer fixed. As you can see, everything is fixed. Now let's see the shop page. First of all, on the shop page, I want this sidebar at the left hand side. So for that, again, we'll have to click on customize. We'll have to go to layout. So click on layout, sidebar, which is over here. Now for shop archive page, make it left sidebar. Shop archive page, left sidebar, publish it. And since we are on this page, let's also fix this thing. Okay, this is looking really bad. So for this image, I'll fix this thing. If your image is like this, depends on the aspect ratio of the image. Now my images, you can see my images are like this horizontal kind of image. Okay, so for this, I want to set image thing. First, let me see the image. If you go to WooCommerce, click on WooCommerce, product images. Here under custom thing, I want to make it 4:3. Okay, maybe let's go to home page. Let's see how it looks. 4:3 is looking fine. So the 4:3 thing is looking fine, but the thumbnail width is limited to 300. So make it 600. Okay, and now it is fixed. So make sure the height and width. Okay, main image width, thumbnail width is 600. And custom is 4:3. Now 4:3 again, I'm saying because of the aspect ratio of my image. If it is some other aspect ratio for your image, you can set that thing. Now if you go to the shop page, this thing is also fixed. Okay, now it is looking so much better, both on the shop page and also on the home page. Now let me do one thing. Let's come back to the widget page. Let's add these widgets for the shop page. Okay, product search, filter by price, filter by categories, those widgets. Okay. So first we need product search widget. So we'll search for product search, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget. Then after that, our next plugin or our next widget is this filter by price. So here, as you can see, filter product by price, we can simply drag and drop it over here. Then we have recently viewed products. So I think this is this one, Woostify recent, or maybe a recent view product list. Okay, I think this is the one. And recent 5 viewed. Okay. Then after that, product categories and product tags. So here we'll come and we'll search for product categories first, which is so here. I'll drag and drop product categories and then product tags, which is so here, product tag cloud. All right. Now let me, all right. So make sure you publish this thing, and after that you can cancel the customize thing. If I open any products like this, then go to shop page. All right, so here, as you can see at the left hand side, everything is working. We have this filter by price, categories, everything is now working. For some reason, recently viewed products is not showing. Let me refresh this page. So once you refresh this page, after some time, it should show. Now, if you open the blog page, here also we need some sidebar, a simple sidebar, just 3, search, blog search, recent post and categories. So this will be under main sidebar. First we need the regular search. So this is the one. Select main sidebar and click on add widget. Then we have categories, again regular categories. Okay, and finally we have first we have recent post and then categories. So if you see, here it is, recent post, main sidebar, and bring it over here. Fine, done. So all the widgets, all the sidebar are now 100% completed. Now finally we can do one thing. We can come over here and we can now customize our website. So for that you can click on customize. All the whatever customization is left, we'll start from top. First let's see the header. So you can click on layout, you can click on header, normal header, and whatever options you want, or if you don't want, you can select that option. Wishlist icon is on, search is on. Okay, so search, wishlist, everything is on. We don't have to do anything over here. We have to come back. I want to set my logo, so I'll click on this option. Let's see, site identity, and you can upload your logo. Like here, if you want to upload some logo, you can upload that logo from here. It will display under your logo. Then we need to change the typography. If I come back, select typography, body font, make sure it is Poppins. Okay, it is already Poppins. Let's change the color. So the default color is this blue color. Instead of this blue color, maybe if you want this blue color. Okay, so you can copy this color code, or maybe instead of this blue color, if you want some other color, let me see. Maybe if you want this orange color, all right, you can select this color. Now all these links, as you can see, link, icon, all these things, okay, wherever there is a link or anything used, it will be this color. So this is your primary color. Now for text color, I would recommend you to select some black color. Okay, so text color should be black. Click on publish, come back. Let's open shop page. Let's see everything is working fine. Open this single product page, text and everything, color changed to black, which is good. Now let's see the blog page. This is how the blog archive page is looking. So let's fix this. Click on layout, select blog, and select the first style. Okay, we want this style. Okay, now click on publish again, and let's see some other pages. So rest everything I think is fine. We don't need to do any more changes. Let me see. Make sure you have added this additional CSS so that everything works properly. Yeah, for this icon, this is where the wishlist icon is displaying. If you want to display it like this, like I have displayed in the home page, in the demo website over here at the bottom right, then you can go to WooCommerce. You can select shop archive or single shop, and you can select wishlist, and you can select the third style. All right, now as you can see, it is displayed over here at the bottom right. Click on publish. I think rest everything is fine, and just to make sure, yeah, rest everything is fine. You can now cut this thing, and with this you have completed this tutorial. Now I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, if you want to watch more useful videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. And throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can always leave them in the comments section below. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.